Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on Remark holding stock, or we can say Mark holding stock. So Mark, it was trading at 0.81 US dollar with a positivity of 0.45% in the previous closing session. And so in this video, we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important and interesting. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and also press on a bell icon for the genuine update. It was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let's have look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we gotta admit this is a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and the different ways that they want to achieve it. So I ended the video. Thank you for watching.